Hello everyone. Let's learn some colors and 2D shapes. Fluorescent yellow color, green color, olive green color, red color, light pink color, orange color, magenta color, yellow color, purple color, black color, dark pink color, sea green color, fluorescent pink color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape.
Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Heart, rectangle, pentagon, star, oval, circle. Green color. Heart.
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Heart. Heart. Green color. Red color. Rectangle. Rectangle. Red color. Olive green color. Pentagon. Pentagon.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony.
Pentagon. Olive green color.
Called it macaroni.
Light pink color. Star.
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Star. Star. Light pink color.
Father and I went down
Fluorescent yellow color. Oval.
pudding, and there we saw the
Oval.
boys as thick as pasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee
Oval. Fluorescent yellow color.
Mind the music and the step, and
Orange.
girls be handy.
Circle. 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 Orange color. Green color, red color, olive green color, light pink color, fluorescent yellow color, orange color. Heart, rectangle, pentagon, star, oval, circle. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.